Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. So today I am showing you how to make the easiest chocolate treats ever. We'll be making 2 flavored truffles, dark and white chocolate. Now this is a basic 2-ingredient recipe, so all you really need is some chocolate and heavy cream. Let's go ahead and get started. First off, we are making the dark chocolate truffles. Start by melting some dark chocolate, either in a double boiler or a microwave, depending on what you have and what you prefer. And in the meantime, you can start heating up the heavy cream and then pour it little by little over the chocolate, in 3 times or so, while stirring continuously. Now for these truffles, I have chosen bitter dark chocolate because I simply love the taste, and therefore I haven't really added any additional sugar. Now if you like things on the sweeter side, I suggest you add some honey or sugar for a sweeter finish. If you choose to do so, I recommend you add the honey or sugar to the cream before heating it. Once the cream is incorporated, the ganache is ready. You can go ahead and cover the mixture with some cling wrap. Make sure the cling wrap reaches the surface to avoid forming a skin, and at this stage, the ganache needs to cool overnight before you can use it. Once the ganache is cooled, you can use a spoon to gather some of it and then make it into a bowl using your hands. You then want to drop the chocolate ball into some cocoa powder and make sure to cover it all. When that's done, the dark chocolate truffles are ready. In summertime, I recommend you keep them in the fridge so they don't melt with the heat, but otherwise you can enjoy them directly. Let's move on now to the white chocolate truffles. The main ingredient here being white chocolate, these truffles will taste really sweet, so no need for any sugar or honey at this stage. Start by melting some chocolate either in a double boiler or a microwave again. And in the meantime, you can heat up the cream and pour it little by little over the white chocolate while stirring continuously. To add some texture to these truffles, I chose to add some coconut powder. But if you don't like that or you don't have it at home, you can just substitute it for some nuts or dried fruit that you can grind and then add it into the ganache. Once you've mixed your additional ingredients well, you can cover the ganache with cling wrap, touching the surface, and let it cool overnight at the fridge. Once the ganache is cooled, you can use a spoon again to gather some of it and then make it into a bowl using your hands. Drop the chocolate ball into some coconut powder or ground nuts and make sure to cover it all very well. You can adjust the shape if you see that it isn't really round. And you can do the same until the ganache is done. And that's about it. The white chocolate truffles are all done. Since white chocolate melts really fast, I recommend you keep this in the fridge until you need to serve them. There you go guys, as promised, the easiest chocolate treat ever. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know what you think of this recipe. And if you try it, don't forget to share it with me on Instagram. If you like the video and want to see more videos like it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And as always, bon appetit!